Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs without any butter. It's simpler than you think and results in a light, fluffy breakfast. We'll cover the essential tools, the best liquid to add for texture, and the ideal cooking temperature. Get ready to enjoy a quick and healthy meal that's perfect for any morning. Let's get started with our ingredients and setup. First, crack 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Now, for that extra fluffiness without butter, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. Milk provides a richer taste, while water makes them lighter. Whisk the eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want to see a slightly frothy mixture, indicating air has been incorporated, which is key for a soft texture. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove and heat it over medium-low heat. This lower temperature is crucial to prevent overcooking and achieve a creamy consistency. Once the pan is warm, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let it sit for a few seconds, then gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this gentle stirring until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist. Once your eggs are mostly set but still have a little shine, remove them from the heat. They will continue to cook slightly from residual heat, ensuring they don't become dry. Season with salt and pepper to your liking and serve immediately. For an even easier morning, consider upgrading your home cleaning. Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to simplify your life. Enjoy your perfectly fluffy, butter-free scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.